Measuring procedure. Put the cuff on a table flatly, with the Velcro side down. The Velcro closer will be facing outwards now. Pass the end of the cuff through the metal loop, so that a circle is formed. Push the cuff over the left upper arm, so that the tube points in the direction of the lower arm. Wrap the cuff on the arm. Make certain that the lower edge of the cuff lies approximately 2 to 3 centimeters above the elbow, and the rubber tube leaves the cuff on the inner side of the arm. The cuff should be snug on your upper arm, so that you can fit 2 fingers between the cuff and your upper arm. Lay your arm on a table, so that the cuff is at the same height as the heart. Do not bend the tube. Press the Start-Stop button. All symbols appear on the display.
Attention, the measurement is starting. Please relax, do not move or talk.
Then you can hear the pump begin to inflate the cuff. The rising pressure in the cuff is shown on the display. After the suitable pressure has been reached, the pump stops, and the pressure gradually falls. The cuff pressure is displayed. In case that the inflation is not sufficient, the device automatically re-inflates to a higher pressure. When the device detects the signal, the heart symbol on the display starts to flash. Once the heartbeat signal is detected. When the measurement has been completed, the systolic, diastolic, and pulse rate will appear on the display.
Your blood pressure is systolic 98, diastolic 61, and pulse is 71.
The measurement readings remain on the display until you switch off the device. If no button is pressed for a period of 3 minutes, the device switches off itself. In order to save the power,